What's going on, family? How you doing today? Gabriel Reyes here with Team Inspired Mindset and MOB, and I'm so excited to be able to come to you today to go over the 7 absolutes. You see, every successful culture, every successful brand has their DMOs, has their their daily method of operations, their money making activities, right? And we're gonna go ahead and just dive into what it is that we have as our 7 absolutes. Now, these are things that are not questionable. These are things that are, like it says, absolutes, right? So I can almost ensure you that by focusing on these absolutes, you will be able to embrace the rawness and the realness of what a chairman run really is going to consist of. So let's get this started. Absolute number 1. Attend a fast start training, right? Doing our getting started right trainings and making sure that this happens for our new customers within their first 72 hours, pardon me. Now, you can do this live or you can do this online. Preferably, we prefer live, right? If you can bring them into the office and allow this to be on a one-on-one, type of environment where they can open up, we can really brain dump and brainstorm their goals and activities, right, on an intimate level. That's what it is that we look to do. Now, if we do have to do it online, we have a great starting platform where on the trading aspect of things, our website is www.myhfxsetup, and we're actually also creating our chairmantraining.com, where you're going to have all of the independent business owners step-by-step success tools. Now, this is something that you need to duplicate this training with everyone in your organization. You see, a mentor of mine once said, a highly trained team is a highly paid team. So we need to make sure that everyone is being able to get started right? Now, you see, you don't do what works, we do what duplicates. Now, moving on, absolute number 2, attend every event, training, and conference call. You see, do and be a part of a minimum of 2 to 3 events per week. If possible, 4 to 10 three-way calls or Zoom calls a week. Now, see, this is very, very doable. We have our in-office opportunity calls Tuesdays and Thursdays. We have regular and daily Zoom calls where you can plug in, your prospects and your guests to see what it is that we do. You see, get everyone on your team to do these and to be at these events every single week. Why is that so important? Because think about it, ladies and gentlemen, with a team of a P600, that's 12 people. Imagine you have 12 people attending three events a week. That's 36 events for their people. Imagine those 12 people doing 4 to 10 Zoom calls or having 4 to 10 prospects every single week. Now you have 48 to potentially 120 eyes, right, on what it is that we do a week. And this is very, very doable. This is something that when we build the momentum, when we build the culture around this, you're going to see your organizations massively blow up in a positive way. You're going to go P600, P1000, P2000, P5000. You're going to go on these amazing runs by duplicating this process. You see, this is a 52 strong commitment. For those of you who want to see maximum results. Why do we say 52 strong? Well, there's 52 weeks in a year, right? And I'm a firm believer that there's power in words. So we don't want to do anything weak, right? Yes, I know it's a different type of week, but we want to do everything strong. So embrace that 52 strong mentality. Absolute number 3. Do 4 to 6 presentations per week, and this is on a part-time base, okay? What does that mean? As you're doing your PS3s, as you're doing your follow-ups, as you're engaging and talking with people and sharing the plan and showing the plan, right? Set a goal to do 4 to 6 presentations a week, because in able to do that, that ensures that you're having momentum and that you're focusing on the proper activities, the proper income producing activities, the proper money making activities, right? So if your upline does a presentation for you, that counts as your one of your 4 to 6s, right? Now do 2 to 5 presentations per day if you're doing this full time. Right? Now, why is it so important to have a goal in mind? Well, if you don't have a goal in mind, you're just daydreaming. You're not taking the proper actions to push and grow your business forward. And that's what it is that we're focusing on. We're focusing on these, these IPAs and these MMAs so that you can crush these ranks as you're going on your chairman run. Now, absolute number 4, 5 contacts per day. That's if you're part-time. You see, something I learned early in my career is everyone who gets my business, everyone who gets my debit card, if I have a business card on me, I'm going to give it to them. And if I don't, I'm going to pique their interest. You see, nowadays, we don't even need a business card. What's your IG? Let me follow you. We have so many different ways on how we can really embrace what it is that we do. So get 5 contacts per day. You see, this is for people that you know and people that you don't know. Talking to a minimum of 5 people every single day about your business opportunity. That's what's going to be changing the game for you, because now you're getting more eyes on what it is that you do. Now, if you're full-time, 8 to 10 contacts per day. Don't make your minimums your maximums, because look at the law of averages, ladies and gentlemen. To be a chairman 10, right, to generate a 6-figure income in this company, you need a total of 500 customers in your organization. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but when you break this down, and if you do 10 contacts per day, well, 10 times 30 is 300, okay? And we have 12 months in the year. So if you take 365 and you times that by 10, that's 3,650 contacts in a year. And you only need 500 to be a chairman 10. And that's if you do it by yourself. Imagine you having a team of 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, all duplicating this process. Chairman 10, chairwoman 10, here we come. So absolute number 4, a minimum of 5 contacts per day. If you're part-time, if you're full-time like myself, 8 to contacts per day. And make sure you're putting them on your list. Absolute number 5, personal development, 10 pages of a good book or 30 minutes of an audio every single day. Books like Think and Grow Rich, Building an Empire, GoPro, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Outwitting the Devil, and many, many other books, right? 10X, All Out Massive Action. There are some great books out there that I recommend that you read. If you want some good books, ask myself, ask other leaders in IM that can help you on recommending some books on perfecting your craft. You see, success is something you attract by the person that you become. And the great Jim Rohn made that quote. Absolute number 6, have a workout partner. Find someone who is core, okay? Keep each other accountable. If this person is not core, if they're not serious as you are about your goals, about you smacking P600 in 2 weeks, about you smacking P5000, about you going on the chairman run and being with us in Dubai, if they're not serious about these goals, about growing to have a 6-figure trading account, about impacting the masses and really changing people's lives, let them know and let them go. Find that accountability partner, and they don't have to be in your organization. You see, in our chats, reach out to anyone who's serious about this and find your accountability partner. Have multiple accountability partners so you can keep each other accountable on crushing these goals. And then be teachable, be coachable, and absolute number 7, be here a year from now. You see, so many people want overnight success, right? But it takes, Kevin Hart said, it took him 10 years to become an overnight sensation. Be here a year from now. Follow the other 6 steps. And don't forget your goals. Don't forget your why. Put your head down and work for 1 year and then come up for breath. You see, because the dictionary is the only place where you're going to find success before the word work. You're going to have to work and work and work and work at perfecting your craft, at becoming the leader that your people want to see, at becoming the person that you want to become, so you can impact and have the impact, right? Like our company says, we want to educate, enrich, and empower 1 million customers' lives. And I think that's so amazing. And we all play our part in making sure that happens. So these are the 7 absolutes. Embrace these 7 absolutes each and every single day. And I will see you at the next Chairman Retreat. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. I will see you either at the top or from the top or from a beach across the world, because the reality is the bottom is way too crowded. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mayor Reyes here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, send me a friend request on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.